I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling what the hotspot needs: cellular data and a working plan so your iPhone can share internet. Once done, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot, then toggle it on. Make sure to create a strong Wi-Fi password so strangers can't connect. You should also glance at battery level and signal bars, because hotspot use consumes power and depends on a good cellular connection. Now that it's broadcasting, prepare the client device to find your iPhone's Wi-Fi name and join. Next, connect the device you want online. For most phones and laptops, choose Wi-Fi. Find the iPhone SSID and enter the password. This balances speed and convenience. If you want lower power drain, pair via Bluetooth. Make sure both devices are discoverable and paired in settings right arrow Bluetooth, then enable Personal Hotspot. For the most stable and fastest link, use USB. Plug the iPhone into your computer, tap Trust. Then select the iPhone network interface in your computer's network settings. This also charges the phone while sharing. To wrap up, confirm the client shows internet access and check data usage to avoid surprises. Limit the number of connected devices to keep speed acceptable. Make sure to disable Personal Hotspot when you're done, and change the password periodically to stay secure. If something goes wrong, try common fixes. Turn the hotspot off and on, restart your iPhone, or reset network settings. If Wi-Fi still fails, test with a USB connection to isolate whether the issue is wireless or cellular. Then proceed accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.